Guys, before I get into my potting up my succulents that I got, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got from Daiso. I did a small little haul for some pots, and this is what I got. Everything there is pretty much $1.50. So I got this little froggy, 2 of these ones. These were just in their bowl section, but I already drilled holes in these, so I like just the wideness of them. This one, and these little trays to catch water. So it was 4 of the small ones for $1.50, and then 3 of the larger ones for $1.50. So that was from Daiso, and oh, this cute little shovel for my small arrangements. Alright guys, so first I'm going to use this little box that my father and I made, and I'm going to box up these imbricatas. This one with the baby. So these are the imbricatas I got for free from the lady I bought the hanging planter from. She was super nice, and she had a beautiful garden. I wish I would have taken pictures. It's gorgeous. I told her your garden is like my garden goals, because she had just so many plants and just like her seating arrangement, and she had a beautiful nice tree giving her garden shade. That was awesome. Sorry about the air conditioner in the background. It is hot, so my neighbors are enjoying their AC. I hope you guys are having a great day. I am enjoying my last days of summer as far as like my summer vacation, because I found out my placement I got was the one I wanted. But it does mean that I start on the 8th of August, so go back to school sooner than I expected. But I'm excited. It's gonna be fun. Working with kids, working in the classroom. Looks good right there, and then put these in here too. Let's see. I want a top dressing, but I think I might just leave it like that for now. Just use this cup because it's easier. I can manipulate it to like fit small places, so that's why I'm using it. I was using it for pumice, and I'm like, hey, I like pouring soil with this too, so I just kept using it. Okay, so there's that one. And now I already set these in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and add the soil now. So have you guys planted up any succulents lately? I want to hear about what you guys are planting up, or any new succulents you got, or plants that you got. I'm hoping these do well. They look really awesome in her garden, just because they were so full. The pots that she had were so full. She was just pulling these out of them. Just hoping they do well. These are so cool. They look like they're full of cobwebs or something. So I'm going to be doing a video soon of my top dressings. I'm not going to be using a lot today, but I'm going to do a video of that. One of my subscribers gave me the idea. It'll be like where I get my top dressing, even how much it cost. So this looks pretty good. I like it. And I will take pictures of these after I pot them all up. I'll take pictures and I'll show you guys. This is my next pot of aeoniums. So as I'm going, I'm going to go ahead and, I'll try to dry it up, clean it up. Okay, so I'm just holding the bundle together now, and then I will add the soil. These are summer dormant, so we'll see how they do. I have to mix more soil. I've been doing like small batches, but I'm like, I run out quickly. We're gonna have to pause the video and do it. So yeah, a little bit about my vacation. We went to Shaver Lake. It was actually a family reunion that we went to. It was so fun. We were able to get one last minute, a boat, just like the pontoon boats. We were able to get it, and went out with my family. It's really fun. It's so fun. I just love being outside and in the water. I love swimming. Me and my brother swam across this cove in the lake. It was really fun. It's It's really, really fun. Okay, there it is. I will go ahead and post a picture of this. I think I'm gonna put my Echeveria lilacina in there, a Debbie, and my Echeveria Ragnoni. And this is the box that my dad and I made out of leftover wood that we had. And I did make some more soil right now because I ran out. I just added the top soil, my pumice that I got, the dry stall, and coarse sand. There are some little top dressing pebbles that I'll kind of save. This is one of the plants I got from the OC Cactus and Succulent Society show. Just removing the dead leaves from the bottom. Trying not to rub off the farina. Here's the next one I'm going to use, my Debbie. This one does have a lot of soil stuck to it, so I'm going to use my container here to catch it. I do see little babies coming through, so I want to be careful as I'm going through this. I did water this one before I left, so it is still a little moist. So this one I'll be sure not to water. I'm gonna put them kind of close together, but I want to give them room to grow. I notice with a lot of my plants in general, they grow and I have to move them, so I'm going to try to give these ones enough room to grow. There we go, and then just fill her in. And good there. And then I'll add, I think I'm just going to add one more because I want to give them enough room. And the Echeveria Ragnoni, if I'm saying it correctly, has a baby that I'm not going to take off yet. I'm going to let it grow with the mama. Got this again. This one I got from the cactus show. When I went, I did get some top dressing from that I'll be sharing with you guys in my top dressing video that I'm going to be working on soon. The leaf came off of this old bloom stock, so I'm just gonna take those off because I could try to propagate those. The bloom stock is not completely dried up yet, so I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna leave it. It actually has two babies. This one definitely needed to be repotted. This one I'm gonna remove all the soil that I can. I'm just trying to get all the soil off because it's very moist. Cleaning up the bottom leaves, being careful about the babies. I'll definitely wait to water this whole arrangement. Except for this one with the top dressing, I'm gonna put some of the granite. It's cool because you can mix this into your soil too. So I just want to give it a little color. Just putting a little in there. Now to clean it up a little bit. Alright, now for my little agave. My son picked this one out. Isn't that cute? I just want to make sure the bottom doesn't get clogged by the soil. This is a agave aplanata cream spike. And this one didn't do too good when I was gone. Sure why. It was outside. Maybe it was just too hot. I don't know. These didn't get direct sun or anything like that. See all the little leaves here dried up? We'll see how this one does. I hope it lasts. I really, really like it. So I'm just gonna leave those, let them fall off on their own. Good root system going here. So this is actually pretty good for it because it goes pretty deep. So I'm gonna put them in there like that. This little shovel came in handy. beige color one I have. Let's see. Yeah, that looks cute. The contrast between the green and the yellow and the green. There's that one. And next, I think I'm gonna put this little, I think it's called a cinnamon cactus because of the orangish spots. This one I did a hole. These I got from Walmart for, I want to say 75 cents each, if I'm not mistaken. This one, I don't know if it's gonna give me little. Guess I'll see if I get poked by this one. Okay, I did get poked by this little thing, so be careful when you're handling these. I'll have to find it later. Oh yeah, dang. There's so many, but yeah, they're there for sure. Take those out later. They look harmless, but I guess they're not. That one looks cute in there for now. Okay, moving on. Okay, I think I'm gonna put in here. I'm gonna put this guy. Just getting up the white contrast good with the green. No trash can either. Like, where's she throwing that stuff? Okay. Just loosening it up here. This is really cool. I didn't have anything like this, so I got it. If there's any succulents that you want to know the name of, just let me know. And I will tell you if I know them, and if I don't know them, I'll look them up. Eventually I want to get all the names of my succulents and have like little tags on each of them, but I just have not had the time. I'm unsure about top dressing right now. I don't know why. I'll top dress them and take pictures of them for you. I think I want to use this one and put one of these. It is in there. And this is Kalanchoe. How cute the little ones here. And there. That one looks cute. I love these little fuzzy ones. And for this Sempervivum, I'm going to use this dead leaves here. Yeah, these stay pretty moist over the week. So you have to check your soil to make sure it's all dry before you water your plants. You can't just have like a strict, every week, once a week schedule. Put this one with it just because I have it here and I want to add it to the mix. My little Kalanchoe right here. Just for a little contrast, I'm going to make this little arrangement with the topsy-turvy. This one I'm going to have to take out fast, but I just want to, that'll look cute with the arrangement. Just because of the contrast of colors. Okay. A little bit more soil. Alright guys, I'll take pictures and I'll show you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, bye.